What's up, YouTube? This is an exclusive, members only first look at the Auto Open 16x20 wallet press. As it has some unique features, it's definitely built very well. It's of all steel, like the big bronze parts that we need. It looks to be like a well quality built machine. Let's take a look at it real quick. Look at the sleek handle. It goes from here to here. I mean, that's awesome. And then you have the nice steel frame. Wow. When I say this thing is well built, yo, it's well built. It's like a Cadillac, for real, for real. Let's turn this thing on. So you're first greeted with a screen right here that has like some lines on it. And you simply press any of the buttons. I would guess the power button, and it starts to temp. We'll get into exactly how to set the temp and the time as we shoot a real professional video over it. But I just wanted to show you some of the luxury qualities, such as the pull-out drawer. Look at that. I'm not burning anything way out here. The stylish blue color that goes with the handle, finished by a nice chrome accent. But y'all, this was a sneak peek. This is for members only. I appreciate you being a member. If you're a gritter, not your average gritter or a grizzly gritter, you just got the first look.